Hello and my salams to everybody who is in mood for some good spaghetti. Let's make it. I'll be making 6 servings, so this is 1 serving between the thumb and the first finger. That's 1 serving, and I'll be making around 6 servings. So let's get started. I'm going to salt my water. Just added some sea salt, and I'm going to let that boil. That's a lot of water. It's going to take a few minutes before it starts boiling. Alrighty. Okay, so let's push the spaghetti in. Just make sure to spread it around. That's what I'm going to do. I'm going to try to spread it around so it doesn't get all clingy. Yeah, okay. There you go. So this box will give me around 6 servings. Can let it boil until it's al dente. Not too soft, not too hard, just like a little bit bite to it, but not exactly raw from inside. See, it's still very hard. So let's see in a few minutes again. Let's break a little piece. Nope, still raw. Okay, so while spaghetti is boiling, let's see what we have here. I have frozen mixed vegetables. That's 2 cups. Then I have 3 tablespoons of butter and 3 tablespoons of herb butter. So you can make that ahead of time, put that in the freezer. Makes life easier. So the first one is the garlic butter, the second one is the herbal butter. It has herbs and little salt and black pepper to it, so that's good too. And it's not 3 tablespoons, I'm sorry, it's 2 tablespoons of each, and I will add 2 or 3 tablespoons of olive oil. Pasta was done, so I drained it, and I'm holding on to some of the pasta water just in case I need it. Okay, so let's do this. I'm pulling a fast one. I'm not going in big details, just simple, whatever is handy. I have all that stuff, the vegetables, the butters in the freezer. This is 3 tablespoons of olive oil. There goes 2 tablespoons of garlic butter in it. I'm not adding any onion, any garlic, anything, just like that. And my promise is when you make it, it's gonna be so good. Okay, so there goes the herbal butter, whatever herbs you like, little salt and black pepper, and just add it. Alrighty. So I have this whole Cumin seeds, Zeera seeds. So that's 1 teaspoon right along with the olive oil and the butter, and I'm going to let everything come together and get toasted. Alrighty. Smells good. Smells amazing actually. It's not looking that good on the camera, but I'm telling you, that's very fragrant stuff in there. Add the vegetables. Let it cook in there for like 3 to 4 minutes. Actually, I don't like it too soft, so I just cook it for 2-3 minutes. Add the spaghetti to it, toss and turn. Make sure it's getting toasted right along the butter, everything, because there's no water added. So you can hear the little sizzling in the bottom. Make sure it's all nicely coated. Oh my god, I can't wait. That smells so good. Alrighty, so we're done with the vegetables and the butters and the olive oil, and it's ready for some pasta sauce. So the pasta sauce I'm using already is very flavored. I'm adding 2 measuring cups. This is half a measuring cup, so I'm 2 full, or you can add more or less, but for my 6 servings this is perfect. There you go. Toss, turn again, make sure all spaghetti is coated nicely. Alright, so there you go. Nice, huh? Just a little bit more for me. Okay. Always make sure salt, pepper, tomato sauce go according to. I'm just doing the way my family loves it. If I don't add that much of tomato, yeah, I'm not saying, sorry, not tomato sauce, pasta sauce, then I'm gonna like it. And for a little kick, you can use black pepper powder. I'm using the red hot pepper, the red hot pepper oil. Just a 1.5 teaspoon is enough for the whole pot. And parsley, or you can use whatever you like. I'm using some cilantro. You can use basil. Basil is perfect. Alrighty, so I'm just gonna make me a plate, and I don't know about you, but I'm really hungry. And that pasta, it smells so good. Oops, I'm making my plate off the camera. Alright, right here. So I'm not going fancy and arranging it in a certain way like the chefs do. I'm just filling up my plate, and I'm gonna put some parmesan. Oh, that's clinging. All right. Okay, so that's enough. That's 1 serving for me. And it's my favorite part. Add some parmesan. There you go. Alrighty. So I got my vegetables and I got the pasta. And I don't think that plate is going to make it to the table, so I'm going to start eating. Bismillah. Nice, this is good. Alrighty guys, make and let me know how it comes out. How this is good.